Hello everyone, I created this button that randomizes the column of hashtags. You can see how it works if I click it. Let's create a button and a simple macro. To create the button, go to Insert, Drawing. Select Shape for the button. Double click it inside and write some text. Change background color to be green, for example, and font color to be white. Select text, align it in the middle and make a few adjustments. Click Save and Close. Now select the column, go Tools, Macros, it will start to record the macro. Now right-click the column and hit Randomize Range. Click Save Recording. Add a name like M1. It will save the macro. Now just click the button and click these three little dots. Select Assign a script. Type in the name of the macro and hit OK. Now if you click the button, it will randomize the column. And this is it, a quick video about how to add a button in Google Sheets and assign script. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.